practice English speaking.
Hello, welcome to Practice English Speaking. Yes, you found us again, and don't worry, your English didn't run away today. It's still here, hiding behind coffee mugs.
Hi everyone, I'm Jake. And yes, Anna, my English usually wakes up after coffee. Before that, it just stares at the wall like me on Monday mornings.
Oh, Jake, classic workplace mood already. And friends listening, if your English feels shy at work, like, please don't ask me to speak, don't worry, we've all been there. Even me. Yes, me, the loud one.
True story, Anna once said good morning instead of good morning at work, and people were like, who died?
Hey, that was one time. Okay, maybe 5 times. But today we're talking about workplace English conversation, beginner level. So relax your shoulders, smile a little, and imagine you're at the office, not in an exam room.
Yes, imagine you're sitting at your desk, computer on, boss walking by, and your brain saying, English.exe is loading. Please wait.
Exactly. So let's start simple. Jake, imagine it's your first day at work. How do you greet me? And don't say, hi, bro. This is not a gym.
Haha, okay. Office mode on. Good morning, Anna. See? Simple. No drama, no fireworks.
Perfect. And I smile and say, good morning, Jake. Wow, amazing English. Applause from the office printer.
That printer always jams, even during applause.
Now, small talk time, the scary part. But don't panic. I say, how are you today? Very normal, very human.
And I reply, I'm good, thank you. And you? Even if I'm tired inside, I lie politely, like everyone.
Yes, workplace English is 50% English and 50% polite acting. I say, I'm fine, thanks, even if I spilled coffee on my shirt.
Speaking of coffee, office English always includes coffee. You might say, do you want some coffee? Not, you drink coffee now.
Yes, please don't sound like a bossy robot. If you ask me, I say, yes, please, because free coffee is my love language.
Now imagine the boss comes. Everyone suddenly sits straight like robots with feelings. The boss says, good morning.
And you say, good morning, sir, or good morning, ma'am. Very respectful, very safe, like wearing a helmet indoors.
True. Then the boss asks, are you busy right now? This question is scary, like a horror movie music starts.
And you answer calmly, I'm working on a report, even if the report is just an empty Word file staring back at you.
Relatable pain. Or you can say, I'm free right now, which secretly means, please don't give me extra work.
Now, let's talk about meetings, the place where English disappears fastest. I say, we have a meeting at 10 a.m.
And I reply, okay, I'll be there. Not, I will go and come. English, please behave today.
During the meeting, you can say simple things like, I agree, nod your head, and look smart. Very easy trick.
Or say, sorry, can you repeat that? Because everyone repeats things anyway, even when they don't want to.
Yes, and don't be shy. Saying sorry at work is like saying hello. We say it a lot, even when it's not our fault.
Finishing the day. If you need help, say, can you help me? Not, you help me now. Very important difference.
Yes, please be polite. English loves politeness like plants love water.
Now, mistake time. Everyone makes mistakes, even English teachers. Yes, shocking. You say, sorry, that was my mistake.
And the world does not end. Wow, amazing. People say, it's okay, and you breathe again.
End of the day vibes, tired but alive. You say, I'm done for today.
Or, I'll finish this tomorrow, which is the most hopeful sentence in office English.
Before leaving, say, see you tomorrow. Very friendly, very human, not goodbye forever.
Please don't scare your coworkers. Okay, friends, that was a full workplace day in simple English. No stress, no textbook monster.
Remember, English at work is not about being perfect. It's about being clear and kind, and maybe surviving meetings.
Practice these sentences daily, even talking to your mirror. Your mirror is a great listener, never interrupts.
Yes, and tomorrow, try one small English sentence at work, then reward yourself with tea or coffee.
We're proud of you already. Learning English is brave, especially at work where everyone pretends to know everything.
So true. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and don't worry, your English is improving, even if it feels slow.
Thank you for listening to Practice English Speaking. We're always here cheering for you like quiet office cheerleaders.
See you next time. Take care, and remember, English likes you, even on Mondays.